Welcome to Blackboard Learn building. This first video talking about the new user interface that's available in Blackboard Learn. Probably should start with the fact that nwtc owns Blackboard Learn community and content. If you're looking on the Blackboard What's New handout, we talk about those three. Blackboard Learn controls courses that we have. Blackboard Community controls organizations that we might have. And Blackboard Content controls the storage of our material. So Blackboard is the company, like Microsoft is the company. Microsoft has Word, Excel, PowerPoint. Blackboard has Learn, Communities, and Content. So let's head back into that course shell. And one of the first things we do when we get into that class materials area and take a look at building, I'll talk about some of these new features. One is that global navigation that I just used to get back here. That global navigation is up here. It's called My Blackboard. You click the drop-down box. That's on the side there, and that will show you in this My Blackboard area recently visited courses, any other courses you might have, or organizations, communities in organizations in the community piece of software from Blackboard. So this global nav is called My Blackboard. They have a course-to-course navigation that allows you to stay inside a tool and go from course to course. That's over here in the course-to-course nav that's up there. That course-to-course nav that's up here allows you to change from one course to another and keep it in that same location. So if you're in the control panels and then you're down in, for example, your grade center, and then you can then use that course-to-course nav to switch to the grade center of another course. If you're in your class materials area and I'm in the building folder of one particular course, if there is a building folder in another course, then I use that drop-down nav and I switch to that other course in that other folder. So it tries to keep you in the area you're located and then switch you between courses. So if you're working amongst different sessions, that's a handy to be able to do that. So those are the two global navs, one that's available all the time, the My Blackboard, and the one that's available just inside of the software package you have. Learn, course to course, community, organization, and then content within content area. So those are those global navs. Next thing you'll notice is the change in the user interface when it comes to the mode that you're in. When you're hovering over an item, the controls show up, and when you're not, they don't. So if I scroll down here to an item where you can see two items at once, when I hover over this content editor item, you notice over here on this side, I have my movement gadget. Here in the center, I have my edit gadget, and here on the far hand side, I have my hide details gadget, where that allows me to highlight the details for a particular item and then show those again. When I'm not hovering over that item, they disappear. When I hover over a different item, they appear for that item. So that's a different look and feel and use for those particular items.